Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Today's video, we're actually gonna try and see if we can get the Android unit installed on the car. I had mentioned I really wanted to get this done on the car. This is the whole system itself. I've gone ahead and already connected all the wires on the Android unit. It's pretty much the same unit as what you would, purchase online. So there's nothing really that much different on the front, but as you can see, the wires, I went ahead and just read everything, see where everything is pretty much connected. I'm sure when you guys do, get your system as well, you'll be able to figure that out. And the guys that actually sell this unit, you can get in touch with them and they can try and figure out what you need connected and how to go about connecting it. I actually got in touch with them. Basically, if you have the fiber optic cable in your head unit, you're gonna need one of these, and that's basically what it's called. It's basically the adapter for it. If you look it up, you would find out exactly which systems do come with the fiber optic devices. All right guys, well, I'm gonna try and go as quickly as possible on this side. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think you're probably gonna need a T25, either a T25 or a T30, but I have a T25 here, or maybe a T27, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm doing here. My stuff is pretty easy to take off just because, there's some stuff have broken pieces or trims. So there's a clippy I'm actually pulling towards me. Let's take it to lift it up. Same on this side. I think this I have to put in neutral. Okay, that's that tab right there. Cigarette lighter, I don't think you need to really disconnect that. You can just move that to the side. All right guys, bear with me on this part, but I'm gonna try and look for the screws here real quick. So if you look right here, this first screw to your left is basically the screw you have to take off. Same on the other side, all the way to the right hand side, and pretty much this whole console should come off. It was kind of hard to get the GoPro in that section to show you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this real quick. All right, so it's not a T25. I'm assuming it's a T20. Also, don't lose the screw. It will not be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side going. Alright. If I'm right, I'm thinking it's only 2 screws. Yep, I was right. So pretty much what's holding this is the climate control. This tab right here, just push it down. And that should come undone. This right here, pinch.
I'm sorry.
Siri, I wasn't asking a question. Actually, this I just pulled out. You might need to squeeze it, but that bottom side came out. This top side over here, let's see what we have here. That pulled out. This, I think you have to squeeze and pull out. Okay, I just pulled that one out. Pull it out also. And this is off. There's 4 screws holding it, 2 right here, 2 right here. Let me see if it's a T20 as well. It is a T20. Let's see. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, sweet. So let's see, I'm gonna unplug this. Ooh. There's a clip right here, you press on it and it comes out. I'm gonna see if this actually goes into the aftermarket unit. This, I'm assuming, GPS? GPS? Oh. Antenna, maybe. Alright. This guy. Push it that way. And it should come out. Well, actually, not yet. There's this guy right here blocking the way. This is the fiber octave. Oh, this is the amp, yeah. So the fiber optic connection. This you push down, out. This out. Pretty much got everything out. This, I've struggled with this thing for the longest time, and it doesn't want to come out. I don't know why. Why is it stuck? Why? I don't want to break it either. Why is it stuck? I should be using a flathead screwdriver to get this thing out, but it doesn't want to come out. Oh, finally! Holy crap! You son of a gun. Look how much damage I did to it. That's just to the body, but everything in there should be good. Alright, so this is the unit itself. Oh, let me get out of this car. Holy crap, it's hot in there. I'm just working on the car. Wow, I can't believe I got this out, guys. Holy smokes. Let's compare. So, what do I have here? So this stuff right here is basically, I want to say my GPS to know where I am. GPS right there is connected. All right, switching cameras here. So obviously the head unit right here, this is the stock one, and this is the aftermarket unit right here. This right here looks very similar to this stuff over here. This is the fuse. There's a fuse down there. Obviously, it'll make a lot of sense once you guys have this in hand. But I was saying, this is the GPS section. That's the GPS. This right here, I believe is the antenna. It looks similar to this right here. So this is plugged in. Alright, and that should plug in back in there. Well, it'll make a lot of sense once we're plugging stuff in. This, gosh, this looks the same as this over here. We'll see as we go, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug stuff in. Hopefully this thing turns on and we're good to go. Wish me luck, guys. This, I'm assuming I'm probably just gonna leave inside this console as we start plugging things in. Let's see. So we got this connected. This is just by itself. This is Wi-Fi, so I'm not gonna need this. What's next? These are just USB ports. You can connect USBs to charge that to the side. Okay, so this is our fiber octave connection. Okay, that connects perfectly in there. Let's see what's next. Wow, and this is the last thing I need to connect. Let's see. Does this not fit in here? Oh, I think this guy goes in here. Goes on the bottom. Okay. that's connected. So we're missing these over here. This I'm not exactly sure what it is. So the only stuff left are these cables right here. Other than that, let's see if this goes in here. Or did we already try that? Yeah, we already tried that. That doesn't go in there. Completely different connection. So I'm thinking that might go somewhere where this in general doesn't go anywhere. Okay, what about this one? Let's see. I'm just gonna try and test fit to see if it fits in any of these. It doesn't fit in any of these. Okay, so we got everything connected except for, again, these three. So these are the only connections I have. Oh, we might get something here. Okay, this fits perfectly in here. I gotta figure out where these connect to. Let's see if we have any linkage. Oh, this right here. Is there another? Okay. Oh, it's on. No way. That's awesome. Woohoo! It's on, guys. That's amazing. Finally. Sorry this took so long, guys. Let's see. I'll just wait for it to boot up. I'm assuming this B3, this green and black, doesn't actually go with the red. So this is the power switch. Okay. Let's see if we have any radio stations here. I'm super excited. This is awesome. Local. Still nothing. I'm still not getting any sound. It's like a screen protector. Alright, let's see. Guys, I didn't try one thing. Let me actually plug the key into the ignition. I will be right back when I figure this out, and I'll let you guys know exactly what to do. Well, guys, it's been like almost 2 weeks now, and I'm sad to say it, but it actually didn't end up working out. Let me show you guys real quick. Everything is really buttoned up in the car. We actually didn't end up getting the radio installed on there, the Android radio installed on there. Just a lot of going back and forth with the company. They just didn't have the right wires or connectors for my car, and it was very frustrating just going back and forth with the company. The company is based in China, I believe. They just have their stuff in New Jersey or something like that. If not, probably in China, but they sent me the wrong fiber octave decoder, and that was that blue box I showed you guys. So I had to return that, which took, man, I don't know how long, but for them to send me back the right one, it took about almost 2 weeks. I would say like about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. So, you know, that was really what was eating up most of the time to get this installed. I took it to a shop close by, and they're really, really good at what they're doing. And basically, they pretty much told me, hey, you know, everything is connected. We're still not getting sound. And there's one cable that actually, I'm pretty sure it's the amp, how they explained it, is not connected to, you know, the wiring harness that actually goes into the Android unit. And, you know, I went back and forth with, you know, the company. Actually, the company that I got the Android unit from is on eBay, and they go by Top Gear 315 or something like that. I don't know if it's that specific company, but if you guys are gonna buy an Android unit, I don't know if I would recommend that company, just because, you know, we're trying to go back and forth with them. And even the professional shop that I went to, you know, they had the specific wiring that actually connects, you know, to an aftermarket unit, and it was right there. They showed me on the computer. So I'm not exactly sure if it's with any other companies that sell the Android units on eBay, but just this company in general, I don't know. Since I went through that experience to try and show you guys, and it didn't work out, I'm just saying, you know, if you're gonna actually go this route, maybe try a different company, or actually you know, talk with someone that actually went with you know, a reputable company, since, you know, I wasn't able to get this installed. But I think I'm gonna go a different route. I'm definitely gonna go Apple CarPlay. The audio company that I was working with, they said, hey, you know, we can get this done for you. Like, we have everything that, you know, we can plug up for you. So pretty much, like, with, let me turn this off. With, you know, the Apple CarPlay, everything is going to get hooked up. I'm still going to be able to keep, you know, the speakers and everything. So there isn't going to be any, like, different wiring or, like, switching amps or that sort. It's just going to be a plug and play, pretty much. And so I think that's what I'm end up going to do, you know, in the future, just because, you know, I really want to update this so, you know, I can obviously have something where I don't have to use my phone for, you know, music and GPS at the same time. I think in the future I'm gonna have to finish up this project. Just hate to say, you know, that didn't work out. I was hoping I could really show you guys how to actually get this hooked up with your Mercedes, because I don't think I've seen a lot of Apple CarPlays done on these Mercedes. That's pretty much it, guys. That's why, you know, I haven't been able to upload this video for you guys to actually watch, and hence that's why I haven't uploaded in a while. Jeez, guys, just take a look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.